Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Toyota Corolla window, updated. Start by gathering tools and safety gear and disconnect the battery to avoid shocks or accidental movement. Remove the door panel carefully, labeling fasteners and clips so nothing gets lost. Inspect the regulator, motor, tracks, and glass for wear, misalignment, or loose bolts. I will guide you through tests, part replacement, and reassembly so your window runs smoothly again. Start by checking the switch and fuse to quickly rule out simple electrical faults. Listen as you operate the switch. Motor humming without movement usually means a bad regulator or broken cable. If the motor does not sound at all, test for voltage at the connector to confirm power is reaching the motor. Inspect the tracks and glass for debris or misalignment that can cause binding, then decide whether repair or part replacement is needed. Quick recommendation: if you like reading manuals and repair guides by the workbench, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for glare-free, portable reading and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical car repair guides. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by carefully removing the door panel and peeling back the vapor barrier without tearing it. Secure the glass in the up position with tape or a wedge before unbolting the regulator or motor to prevent the glass from falling. Replace the damaged regulator or motor, reconnect electrical plugs, and test the window operation multiple times to ensure smooth movement and correct alignment. Finally, reattach the vapor barrier and door panel and verify all switches work properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.